Hey YouTube, I'm Dr. Degen, leader of the Degens. And now, since the video we just had last time was crazy and we had like 4,000 views already, I'm going to teach you how to buy OMI on BitForex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to, set up an account, register an account on BitForex using my little central referral codes in the description if you want to. And then what we'll do is we'll do a couple ways. Cash App and Voyager are two ways that we can quickly get cash into BitForex without having any prior exchanges. And then I'll do another bit just in case you have like a Binance or another exchange that you want to move cash into BitForex. And ultimately you have to buy OMI with USDT, but you can save gas fees currently by moving it in different ways. So let's get into it. All right, guys, here we are on BitForex. And so we're going to put in our email, which I have right here. Boop. Now we've got the code we're going to put in, right? Because if you click the link underneath, boom, it's already there, saving you time. So we have, when we send it up, once I put my email in, you're going to hear send on this. After you've done all the rest of this, make sure I get all the sexual stuff all ticked. You're going to hit send, boom, and that's going to send me to here. I'm going to go party meters, boom, boom, boom. Let's hope I see no more. Boom, yay! And now that will send me an email, BitForex verification. That email will look like this. Okay, so now I take that number, I put it in this code, and I register. And I register. Oh, it would help if I tick the box. There, registered successfully. Now, let's skip a couple steps ahead. Okay, so we come into our BitForex account, and this is one I made earlier. So we go in here and we have something called your wallet and your spot account. You're gonna have to get money into your wallet so you can sell it for USDT. Sending USDT right now is kind of expensive. If you're on Cash App or one of the other ones I've started using is Voyager, you can buy that directly with a card and then send it from there to your wallet account address. You do deposit right here. I can come down here. I can say, hey, I want to deposit it from Binance. And Binance, the best way to do it would be ADA. So I'd come down here, I'd find choose token, ADA, boom. Generating address, please deposit here. Feel free to give me something. Right? So this address I would send my ADA to. And I would move that ADA from my wallet to my spot account. Okay? And then I can trade it. And so now I'll go to my spot account. I've had some USDT. We've moved in here. We've either sent it via Cash App or Voyager, one of those apps that you can set up and buy it with a with a debit card, and sent it from that wallet to this wallet. You now sold that, right? So we've gone to our spot account. It's going to be sitting in here, right? So in my case, mine's already in USDT, but if yours was in Bitcoin, you would come here and you would do trade. See how it pops up, Bitcoin USDT, and we would sell that Bitcoin for USDT. So now I'm going to come down to OMI. I'm going to go trade OMI USDT. Buy. See how the price is looking. Just had a little dip. I'm okay with that. I'm going to spend 100%. Exactly what it costs. Order successful. Okay, so we just put the order in, and so we now got 1,000 OMI order in. This price right here. Back to assets. Just did 100%. We'll put it in the price right there. Told me the USDT because I just wanted to spend it. It was 1,000 minimum. Go to assets. 1,000 OMI. Just over. Okay, so now we own that, and if I want to send that somewhere or move it again, I move it back to my wallet. The spot account is just like your trade account. I'm going to make a video again. I'm getting a little bit better at this. I'm kind of, not going to lie, pretty terrible at it, but I'm going to make another video about what to do with it and move it. On the 24th of this month, Uniswap is bringing out OMI on their platform too. So I'll bring out a video on how to purchase that on the Uniswap, add it, and add that token. But for right now, I'm just showing y'all how to buy it and get set up. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Feel free to give me a like, comment. We're on Twitch all the time and Discord, which makes this so weird that I'm terrible at it because all I'm doing this is all day. We're reading white papers. We're hanging out. Please feel free to come by and say what's up. Appreciate it.